Then next we continue with data types and ranges of data types in the integer values of shortened in signed and unsigned values. The shortened of memory size is in 2 byte. The range of minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Then signed short integer value is memory size is in 2 byte and the range is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767, and unsigned shortened value is in 2 byte. Then the 0 to 65,535. Then long integer value of 4 byte, uh, the range is the minus true core something in minus 2 comma 147 comma 483 comma 648 to then 2 comma 147 comma 483 comma then 500 sorry 647. Then signed long integer value is 4 byte in the same range values of the long integer value. Then unsigned long integer value is the 4 byte of memory size and the range is a 0 to 4 crore something in 294 comma 967 to and 295. Then float and long double memory size is here. The float is a 4 byte values and double is a 8 byte and long double is a 10 bytes of memory size. The next thing is in a keywords. A keyword is a reserved word. You cannot use it as a variable name, a constant name, and there are only the 32 reserved words in the keywords in a C languages, that is an auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, and extend, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, switches, type, definitions, union, unsigned, void, and then voltage and while. These are the keywords in the C languages. The storages of the variable, a scope in any programming in region of the program that defined a variable can have its extents and beyond that variable it cannot be accessed. A storage classes define the scope of visibility and the lifetime of variables and or functions within a C programs. The features and basically help us to trace the extents of a particular variables during the return of the program. We have the 4 different storage classes in a C program. The first one is an auto and extend and static and register. The auto storage classes is the default storage class for all local variable. This is the default storage class for all the variables to declare inside a functions or a block. Hence the keyword of auto is rarely used while writing program in C languages. The auto variables can only accessed with the block or function they have been declared and not outside them. If of course this can be accessed within the nested blocks within the parent block or function in within a auto variable was declared. However, they can be accessed outside the scope as well as using the concept. For the example, int void main, the auto integer I value equal to 1, and auto integer I value equal to 2, and auto integer I value equal to 3. If the print slash n percentage t comma I, then close print of percentage d comma I and print of the percentage d slash n comma I if the output value is in 3, 2 and 1. The external storage class is used to give the reference of the global variable that is visible to all the program files. When you see the extern, the variable cannot be initialized, however, it points the variable name at a storage location and has been previously as defined. Uh, for the first file name is in main.c slash include strivo.h in count the extend the void write extend the main function of count equal to 5 the write the extend of 5 the second file to support c include strivo.h extend int count the void write of extend the void the person printf the count is percentage d slash n comma count, then close the brackets and to compile the gcc.main.c and support.c the run the value is the 5. Then register storage. The register storage class is used to define the local variable that should be stored in the register instead of the RAM. The classes declares the register variables which have the same functionality as to the auto variables. And important to interesting the point to noted had that we cannot obtain the address of the register variable using the pointers. The static storage, we have a property of preserving their value even after they are out of the scope. Hence the static variable to preserve the value of the last use in the scope. So we can say that the are initialized only once and exist till the termination of the program. The scope is local to function to which they were defined. The global static variable can be accessed anywhere in the program.